Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these rollerblades. These are beautiful inline skates. This is all metal all the way around here. You've got 4 nice quiet wheels. This is amazing because it actually has a removable foot. You can carry them with this nice little handle. This whole thing comes out, so if you did get them dirty or sweaty, you just take that out and wash them. Glides really nice. Now you have 3 different layers of protection for these. You have your shoelaces that go all the way up. You have these locking mechanisms right here, so you can actually tighten it down and then just loosen it back up, crank it all down. You have the top one that also goes through here and cranks right down. Now I'm gonna get them put on my daughter, and then we will show you just how they work. It also comes with a brake that you can install in the back. So you just slide this in there, install the brake on. I'm not gonna add the brake right now. We're just gonna go out and ride around and show you how great these are. They've got a lot of different padding and they come packaged really nice. So let's get them put to work. So to put these on, I just tied the lace right there. Then we are going to crank this down up here. If you did want to crank it down some more, you can actually lift it up, push it down, tighten it that way. And then this one, we're just going to slide in here. Whenever we want to release it, we can press this button and that would then release it out to get it ready to go. So let's get this tightened down. These are nice solid pieces right through here, so that is a good protection all the way through there. So now let's get out and do some rollerblading. So these are gliding really nice and smooth. Now you can put this on a variety of surfaces, whether you're in a skating rink or you're just outside playing. I mean, they're going over these cracks in the driveway. Great, super smooth rolling. I love how tough they are built all the way around. Have all the extra layers in there and that removable insert.